Hello, this is Mike Wood. I'm going to do a quick, simple video here on computer basic skills. We're going to be talking about the Chrome browser and choosing where to download. So when you download a file, if I wanted to save this, for example, we want to set our Chrome browser so that it gives us the option to have this pop-up window come up instead of automatically downloading for us. And this way it'll choose where we want, or it will allow us to choose where we want to download our file to. So if your computer is not doing that, you go over to the top right corner and either click on the three dots or the whatever icon is there at the far right. Sometimes it's a little different if you have not updated your Chrome browser. So you click on whatever icon is there and you come down to Settings. When you click on Settings, it'll open a new tab up at the top away from the original tab you were just on. That's our Settings tab. In here you'll have some basic information about your account, and if we scroll down, we'll have down at the bottom we've got an Advanced section all the way to the bottom. So we've got to click on that Advanced, open that up, and here we have a Downloads section. And that's what you're looking for, is that Downloads area. And there's two sections here. We've got a location where you can change the location, so you can choose where you want to download. It can download to the Downloads folder, which is default. Or you can change that. But the big thing we want to do is, if this right here asks where to save each file before downloading, if that is grayed, we want to click on that to change it to blue so that it will ask you where to download each time. And that's it. That's all we have to do. And once we've done that, we're good. Sometimes you might see some other things down in the search engine section. If you've got your search engine hijacked, then there might be some things here controlling the browser and the toolbar, and you can just cancel those out here. You'll have an option there to disable those. So disable all of those and set your search engine to Google, and you'll be golden.